Hello everyone, I am Ananda Siddhartha. I am 12 years old. I am studying 8th standard. From the age 5, I have been learning drawing till date. First, I used to learn from an art teacher, and from 2018, I have been learning in Global Art. I have completed foundation level, basic level, and I am almost to complete intermediate level. And I am going to complete the advanced level 2. And till now, I have learned shading in oil pastels, shading in poster colors, human figures, and many more objects. And now I will show you my drawings. I participated in a competition conducted by SLN Terminus on 2017 and received second prize and also got 2500 rupees cash prize. I participated in an inter-school drawing competition in 2020 and I won first place, and they also gave me 11,000 cash prize. I participated in Children's Summer Art Exhibition conducted by Kalipatnam Arts Academy, and I received art Star Award. I participated in a painting competition on the occasion of Gandhiji's 150th birthday celebrations and I received Best Award. I participated in a competition conducted by Kirti Arts Academy on the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru 129th birthday celebrations and received Bala Ratna Award. I participated in the biggest art exhibition, Paintathon, conducted by Sanskriti Arts and received this certificate from World Book of Records, London. In one more painting competition, I received this Bala Chitra Kalakar Award. And I participated in a Draw a Dream competition conducted by Hands India and they gave me this shield for securing 11th position in the top 50 and there were 16,000 students participating in this competition and this event was given Vishwaguru World Records. I was nominated for Indian Book of World Records for singing national anthem by thousands of students at a time. I participated in a competition on the occasion of Children's Day 2018 and I got Balakala Pratibha Award. And I participated in a competition conducted by Lions Club Peace Poster Competition and I received this certificate of appreciation. And I got this trophy for participating in Global Art Color Champ 2018 and I secured 3rd position among 800 students with an on-the-spot topic. I got Star Performer Award conducted by LG Freedom Fest competition. Apart from all the trophies I showed you, these are the other trophies and medals I won. Apart from drawing, I participated in an elocution competition conducted by Jawahar Bal Bhavan and I secured 2nd position. I also participated in a singing competition conducted by Vasavi Club and got this memento. These are the newspaper articles covering about my achievements.
Ananda Sai Siddhartha, the Michelangelo of our school, is consistently improving in his art and has rightly won laurels. He secured more than 10 certificates of excellence for his work in art.
These are the drawings and trophies till now and I hope more to come. Thank you for watching.